school, y'all know. Buying and selling, trading cryptos, exchanges and whatnot. On the blockchain or whatever we doing that crypto world. Okay, yeah, Marisha, Exita, can teach you. I can use that visa, get either. Well, half from Uncle Sam, baby. Marisha, Exita, I can use that visa, get either. Well, half from Uncle Sam, baby. Yeah, getting that back on the blockchain. Who could that be? I cannot name. That or no name. We gon' profit like Rogaine. Getting rich off of claims. Big risk, keep my hands on my lips. Don't slip, don't be lame. Big chips, keep the change. Liquidity, I be providing, but I keep that in the range. Buying, selling, I be deciding. I do that on exchange. We going up or we gon' flop. Straight to the moon or we gon' top. Yes, all things should divine. Hey, Exita, can teach you. I can use that visa, get either. Well, half from Uncle Sam, baby. Use that visa, get either. What half from Uncle Sam? I got more, I got X. You see it, I can better mass, yeah, I can flex. Disconnect and don't get wrecked. Hit connect, but watch your back. Them scams got glam like big connect. DMs, PMs, this and that. Biz and wallets, white black ass. Don't approve it, unless you know the movement. Swear it be a doozy, you gon' lose it. Mama ain't raised no fool. See fresh tuck like Tulis, stream it, make a move it, see that young boy smooth it, know it's gon' be proven. Don't believe that I'm a prover, yeah, on a different level, like I'm Jay, yeah, I got millions of that Zen, so I got racks, Richard Hawk gon' take us far, and that's a fact, you all, yeah, make sure that you check, Exita, can teach you, I can use that visa, get either, well, half from Uncle Sam, baby, Marisha, Exita, can teach you, I can use that visa, get either, well, half from Uncle Sam, baby, yeah. You know what time it is. What up, BMZ Princess? Welcome in. Hop in the chat and say what's happening. I've noticed that my voice has been, I think it's my voice getting clipped, but I noticed I rewatched my video and it was a little off. Where can we buy Zen at lowest fee? Is Zen ERC20 coin? Where's Zen listed? Which exchange? Damn. You got lots of questions, Pineapple Love. What's up? How, at least say hi first. Gosh, what's up, Pineapple Love? How are you today? If you are watching this, I would highly appreciate if you go like and retweet the pinned comment that I just posted up. It'll have the link to the tweet that's right above. We're gonna get to it. Pineapple Love. What's up? What's up, Pineapple Love? We're gonna get straight into it, but first and foremost, I'm gonna need you guys to do a couple things. If you could just abuse that like button, abuse that post notifications button right after you abuse that subscribe button. So it goes. So I do a little, you feel me, a little trick, but you hit the like button, subscribe button, then post notifications, and that's the order that you should go in right then and there. So without further ado, let's get right into the nitty gritty of things. I ain't gonna waste too much of y'all time. Boom. Yeah, my bad. Uh, this is my website. Wham bam, thank you, ma'am. This is my website where you can go purchase um products that I have available that will be sent straight to you. These are not the prices. If you hold one of the NFTs, so this will be in the first link in the description. Second link in the description will be, oops, my bad. I'm still on the, it's hot in here. Second link in the description will be my NFTs, of which if you connect your wallet via MetaMask, you'll be able to gain access to the 85% discount. So second link in the description, go cop one of these NFTs. Go here, connect it to your simply connect your MetaMask wallet with your music NFT, and you will gain access to the discounts. And then the people that also own these NFTs will be able to earn royalty rewards. Marisha Hexita is on all streaming platforms. Let me get that link for y'all real quick. Where is it at? Here you go. So you can go listen to it on all streaming platforms. Right now, it only shows There we go. All right, y'all should be able to hear me now. My bad. My computer had died. My bad. Right on, y'all. We back at it, man. We back. Um, am I froze? Can y'all see me? Damn. Can y'all see me? Can y'all see me good? Oh yeah, y'all can see me. All right. Bet. Let's get back into it. My bad. All right. So the song is on all streaming platforms. Okay, bet. My bad. Technical difficulties. My phone, I mean my computer just died on me. I had it plugged up, but it wasn't plugged all the way up. So bear with me. Sorry about that. Technical difficulties, but we back at it. Thank God for your streaming software working out with me. But this is the link that'll be in the description for you. I'm sorry, the link that I just posted. You can go actually take a quick little listen. Just go, go out there. If you're an NFT holder of Marisha XC, to go out there, put it on a Spotify playlist, listen to it a bunch of times. Make sure that you do a shout out to DJ Polly Wood for being one of the first, for being a day one supporter. Man, we got some new music on the way. I'm working with somebody on the Broke Boy anthem, but bam, wham, bam. Thank you, ma'am. This Sunday, this upcoming Sunday, Hodl More will be dropping. So that's, I believe that's the Hodl More will be dropping on all platforms on Mother's Day. That's crazy. On the 21st, Sensational's dropping, and the Zen Vampire Anthem will be dropping on the 28th. And I'm gonna try to make it into a Bitcoin ordinal. And we're gonna have the I seen, man, that the Vamp X dropped, but we're gonna drop the. I'm gonna try to drop it as an ordinal. I'm gonna get with Jack. I said something to Jack. He kind of ignored me, but he had said something on the previous stream, so hopefully he's a man of his word. Uh, but what is currently happening in the world of Zen? Find out what's. Oh, shout out to them, man. Shout out to Zenflix. All right, let me just do a little quick sound. Your sound is back. Yeah, I thought so. I think so. Shout out to Zen World, Zenflix. So go watch that. Hopefully that gets me some good little plays. But make sure to go follow me at Spruby Coins with a Z on my Twitter. It is in the third link in the description. Let's get into it though. We didn't had enough of enough of all of this hoopla and all of this. So let's throw on some tunes and get into why I think Zen is bottoming. There's a couple of different things that I've just been notating. Couple of different things that I've just been notating. And that's including burns, penalties. There's so much. What up, Optimus Prime? Welcome in. Burns, penalties, and all that good stuff, man. It's a lot going on, man, in the Zen world. So let's take a look at the chart first and foremost. Um, and when I said Zen is bottoming, specifically on ETH. It may or may not be bottoming on all other chains, but we can actually take a look. So this is actually pretty bullish. I'm looking at the 4 hour. This is ooh, that's not looking good. It's actually getting rejected. It actually may go below, but we'll see by tomorrow. I think by tomorrow we'll see if this price action, because what I'm thinking, this is what I said. I knew it was going to go down. So you see, my personal projection was that it'll hit here. I thought that it wouldn't even get near this. And just skyrocket. But when you look here at the amount of Zen that is able to be claimed currently, it's not a lot. It's not a lot of dumping power. Ooh, 58%. Ain't no way. Wait. Let's look. So future daily claimable 79,000, 75, or not thousand, 75 billion. So we're releasing about 70 billion ETH. I'm sorry, 70 billion Zen per day, right? So we 70 billion, 70 billion, 117 billion, 330, yada yada yada. But if you'll look here, we've been doing that. Daily new supply, daily new stake, daily new burned, daily new burn. And what I believe is that the Ethereum gas fees are going to start going. Oh shoot, y'all can't even see. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Didn't nobody even say nothing. Y'all silly. So my bad. So with that being said, so right here, boom, you'll see that it's trickled down. I set this where I think it's gonna go exactly. With this line you see here, and I think it's gonna skyrocket from here. What's Zen token address? ERC 20. I got you, boss. This right here. That is it's an ERC 20. It's on 10 different chains. So it's on Ethereum, Binance, Matic, Phantom, Evmos, Avalanche, Doge Chain, shit, ETHPAL, where else? OKX and Moonbeam. So I would go mint on all chains, or mint on chains that you have dry powder on, or you may have to do some cross chaining Pineapple Love. But I would say mint. Do not go buy it. If you haven't minted yet, go mint. Don't buy it yet. You only want to buy Zen when it reaches like an ultimate bottom. So it's quite up from the ultimate bottom. Um but let's take a look. So the price point for where's the price point for the new? Here we go, right here. So right here, this cost per Zen minting is showing this 5802 as the bottom. So it costs 5802. So what is that? Six zeros. One, two, three, four, five, six. Six zeros and five. The price is currently below that. So right now, but take into account there are a lot of people that minted before that cost was there. The cost at one point in time was way down here. I set the bottom way a long time ago. I don't even know where it's at anymore. But it was like six zeros and 170 or something like that. Six zeros, 170, 1170 or something like that. It was way down here. We found the bottom. We've been found the bottom. We've gotten over that hump, over that stump. And now I made the tweet saying we're gonna 2x every 2 months. With that being said, the rate of current burn. Let's take a look one more time. And we're in Phoenix is dropping in about 4 days. So let's look at this bottom date right here. So negative 80 billion Zen. I don't know if this is all the way accurate. I don't really like that. I don't know if this is accurate or not. But the reason why these lines have gone above and where new supply is coming out, where the mint, okay, Xen.network. You want to go mint on Xen.network. What you want to do is, bro, you want to go look at my videos, bro. Hold on. You want to go look at my videos. You want to go, don't just blindly do this, sir. Go to my Zen playlist and watch all of them videos. And if you binge watch all of my videos from start to finish, well, you don't have to do start to finish. Fast forward through a couple of them. I used to do giveaways, so those might not be enticing to watch. But I do give a lot of alpha on those past videos, so I would highly suggest it. Um, but with that being said, damn, I just lost my train of thought. Oh yes, 5802. Wait a minute, let me see. Two, three, four, five, six. Yeah, 6 zeros and 5802. And right now we're at 6 zeros and 3018. So we're in that. I believe that we're in that middle ground. 6 zeros and 5802. 58 is what it now costs to mint. So for everybody who is that minted in the beginning, that is continuing to mint, this is actually your bottom right here. You're actually not going to be in profit Or no. I'm sorry. This is the at the new bottom for Zen. Right. I'm gonna make a yellow line 5802. We're just gonna make that right there and make that the yellow. That's close enough. So that yellow line is the new bottom for Zen, and we fell clean below that, and found a new bottom, found a new support line. And if it does go down, there's another support line. I highly doubt it'll go below this back to these bottoms, because that is where. But it may because there's a lot of people that were minting here, but depending on when they have their amount, their Zen coming out, I highly doubt that they'll be able to make it go all the way down there. So we're finding new bottoms each and every day within the Zen ecosystem. So it's a really, really, really good thing that oh shit. It's a really, really, really good thing that we have products like Zen Turbo to be able to analyze these analytics and to be able to dive in deep and actually truly see what's going on, as far as minting costs and so forth, burns and such and whatnot. Um, yep, it was 7 zeros and 7 1. I think it was 718 or 719 or something like that. I remember that. I wish I would have bought Hella's in because it went up 37x from there, as you can, or 65x, or even more than that, and went crazy. Um, so yeah, man, we're accelerating on the burn. Gas fees are finally coming down. That is, and this is the reason why I think Zen is bottoming. I think it's a good time if you're gonna buy, especially because for one, we got Phoenix coming up. For two, we're below the cost of the current amounts. We're below the cost of the current amount to mint Zen. But that will go down also. So everybody that's been minting during this time with high gas fees are now setting the new bottom, but there'll be a new bottom created once Gwei goes down. So we're back in the 65s for Gwei. And it looks like that we may be heading back down in that range, stopping these 100s, or we may keep going. This was today actually. Early in the midnight. It seems like 60-50. We used to be in the 30s, 30. We used to be in 11s, 10s, 9s, 12s, but now it seems that 30 was the low, and now it seems as though 60 is going to be the new low. So new we're creating new barriers to entry every single day in Zen, with depending on when you want to capture. um Oh, Friday was 150. You were a dummy if you mentioned it. We're creating new bottoms every single day, every single hour, every single minute on Zen. With the deflationary aspect of it, to where you'll mint less and less and less the longer you wait. For everybody that comes after you, you'll get more. So if in hindsight, if you're actually max minted during this 152, you'll probably be or on this day, if you max minted on this day, you're probably the only one. If you did a max mint, you're probably going to be the only one that has one coming out that day, which it means that you're probably going to win, because when gas starts to go down, then the flush of mints and the boatload of mints will come in, which will bump up the amount of Zen that you get. So it's is it better to mint on lower days, or is it better to mint on higher days? It's kind of a win-win situation, to be honest, in my opinion. It's kind of a win-win situation, because if you start a mint with high gas, then it's potentially, it may be lower gas by the time you claim it, because nobody else is going to be claiming. Versus if you max mint on a low Gwei day, um there may be more people actually claiming on the same day, which could make gas fees higher, which in hindsight um could make you be taking profits on a down day versus taking profits on an up day with a lower claim fees when you mint it at a high gas cost. If that makes sense to y'all. That's I know that's kind of hard to really capture, but always mint Zen at any given time of the day. It's the best time to mint Zen is now. That's literally it right there. I'm honestly surprised that Zen has been going down with the news of Phoenix dropping. Let's check Phoenix real quick. Who is that guy with the blicky? Bro, I don't know nothing about the BRC20s. I ain't get in. The thing is, I got a lot of Bitcoin. I could have really participated, but I really I wasn't on my shit Sunday. I don't got nothing for it. We can watch a video about somebody else talking about it, but as far as me, I'm not. Did you participate, Axel Pros? He created a new scenario sampler. I like this one. I think I studied it. You didn't, boy. If you don't, oh shit, not that one. I'm gonna hit that button on you. I don't know, man. So we can talk about it, but what I think, bro, because it's causing a lot of attention and gaining a lot of attention of those of the big Bitcoiners. What I think is that Jack is actually trying to bring in all of those Bitcoiners. He's trying to bring. Oh, just listen. Okay, I got to do all the work. Okay. I like you, Axel Pros. You be cracking me up in here. But what I actually think is Jack is actually, this is all for marketing purposes only. I don't believe this is actually a thing. I don't believe this is actually like something that Jack is like treating serious. I believe it's just a marketing tactic because if you look, let's see, Eric Wall or Mark, whatever his name is. Let's see. We got to go to here. So let's watch this video real quick.
Bitcoin or BTC are currently higher than any point in the last 3 years, and we are seeing use cases like NFTs on BTC main chain. Will this shift develop?
I haven't watched this yet, so this is the first time me listening, but we're going to talk about some BRC. This is obviously about BRC20. Is this Eric Wall? I think this is Eric Wall. Yeah. So boom, the Taproot Wizard number 2.
From Ethereum to Bitcoin, is Saylor pro or anti-ordinal? This is from an Assyrian brother, Ninos and Ninor. So what are your thoughts on this?
My boys,
Saylor,
Ninos.
Okay, so Saylor is pro-freedom and pro-markets. And Saylor he's an Austrian economist, so all value is subjective. So here's what I think. I think everybody should be able to launch whatever business they want to launch. And I think everybody should be able to pursue their happiness however they want. And I think that lots of people will create lots of things that won't work. So I'm not going to give you a recommendation of stocks because some businesses will work, some won't, and some stocks you will buy too high and some you will not. And I don't want to be on the hook for 10,000 stocks. I'm not going to tell you how to gamble, but I'm not going to tell you not to. I'm not going to give you a recommendation for a private business. You want to collect art? I'm not going to tell you not to. I'm just not going to tell you which piece of art to buy to make money. I don't know which thing is going to work, and I know that over time, all fiat currencies will fail, and over time, I believe most businesses, in fact, all businesses will not be as good as investing in Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the low risk asset. I do think that what happened over the past 5 months is pretty interesting. If you go to New Year's Eve, the average fee on the Bitcoin blockchain was like 3 sats per V byte. I mean,
Wow.
there were blocks every 10 minutes that had $600 of transaction fees in them, right? And so the miners were getting a reward of $100,000 with $600 or $300 of fees. So the fees were 1% of the reward. Yeah. They were nothing, de minimis. And what happened over 5 months is Bitcoin had a massive rally. All of a sudden, the miners were getting $150,000 or $200,000 reward. But then we saw fees, transaction fees that got to more than 6 Bitcoin, which was $180,000 in fees. So we went from $1,000 in fees to $100,000 in fees, a factor of 100 increase. And the fees started to approach parity with the reward. If you're an investor in Bitcoin mining, if you're a Bitcoin miner and you want a bullish thesis,
you're loving it.
In order to have a bullish thesis, you want to see that fees, transaction fees, are at parity with rewards. And you want to have a belief that transaction fees will increase at a rate faster than the hash rate. So if the hash rate's going up 20% a year and transaction fees are going up 30% a year, then that's a good business, a really good business. And so in a world where transaction fees are 1%, they're irrelevant. You don't have parity, and then the growth rate doesn't matter. And then all you see is the rewards are decreasing 18% a year. And that's a bearish scenario. So I think that what happened with ordinals and NFTs is we crossed this chasm from what was a bearish scenario to a bullish scenario. If I was a miner, I would be ecstatic. I think that long term, there are a lot of implications. Long term, the implication is there's going to be a lot of applications on the Bitcoin base layer.
Wow.
Yeah, if I can inscribe a piece of art, right? An NFT is kind of an art, but I could also inscribe my last will and testament. And if my last will and testament is moving $1 billion from me to you, how much is it worth to you to have that burned onto the blockchain and cryptographically verified?
Yeah, at least $1 billion for me.
Would you pay $20?
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah. Would you pay $100?
Of course.
There you go. So there are interesting applications. If I have a corporate resolution to make $1 billion investment and I DocuSign it, and I'm worried about getting sued for hundreds of millions of dollars in the future, would I pay $100 to burn that on the blockchain? Maybe, probably. If I have a message I want to send around the world and I don't want a hostile nation state to interfere with that message, is that worth $20 or $50? Sure it is. So what people are realizing is the transactions on the blockchain,
not that much.
They are the ability to send a message that a nation state can't stop. Their ability to put a document on a network for 100 years that no one can actually tamper, an immutable blockchain.
What up, Real Money Nick?
I mean, if I can store $1 billion for 100 years, that's valuable.
Some Saylor.
You know, if you wanted to move $10 million of oil from New York to London, it would cost you about $350,000.
Wow.
So what if I want to move $10 million of Bitcoin from New York to London?
$20.
What if I want to move $10 million worth of a document of something of, if you wanted to sell a $10 million work of art, that's $500,000 to $1 million or more in auction fees.
Mm-hmm.
So people have thought, well, transactions, man, there's no future for them. But I actually am of the opinion that transactions at $1 or $2 a transaction, they're very undervalued. This is the most valuable, most tamper-proof, immutable, secure transaction network in the world. If I gave you $100 billion and I said attack the network, you couldn't do it. If you were a nation with $100 billion and 4 years, you could slow it down, but you couldn't stop it. So I think that the real significance of ordinals and NFTs and inscriptions is people used to take the transactions for granted, and they undervalued the Bitcoin mining network. And now I think what you have is a lot of speculation, and you also have a migration of crypto development energy from the other cryptos to Bitcoin. That's a good thing, I think. It's inevitable because Bitcoin.
Man, Michael Saylor, man, he got a lot of alpha, man. I got to start watching this a little bit more, man. I'm really interested. He's opening my mind to Bitcoin. Like, really, everybody says how if you listen to every single streamer, like crypto streamer, they say basically that Bitcoin is trash. But from the aspect of Michael Saylor, he makes it so amazing, honestly. He makes it sound so amazing. It makes it sound like it's like dope. So I gotta dive a little bit deeper into this BRC20 stuff. I'm gonna download we might do some Unisat dive in, going to take a look at it right after this video. So let's take a look and then let's get into like the Unisat stuff and at least look at it. And see if I can upload some Bitcoin or send some Bitcoin there now, because I know I'm pretty sure it's slowed down and I'm able to send transactions or whatever. So let's
Bitcoin is the low risk crypto network and the high security crypto network. So you're going to see speculation move, you're going to see development move, but long term, what's really significant here is that people are going to see Bitcoin as the most secure cyber network or the most secure computer network in the world. And if I told you I'm going to burn a document and I want it to stay immutable for 100 years, and I don't want any hostile corporation or nation state or actor to be able to tamper with it or stop it, and in 100 years, I want to prove that that's my document. You know, Satoshi could sign a digital document. He could sign a message today and prove that he owns $30 billion of Bitcoin, and he could do it in a split second. That's the power of the Bitcoin network, and that has been underrealized. It's underestimated. So I think.
What if Satoshi lost his seed phrase? What if Satoshi is alive but he forgot his seed phrase? That would be nuts, bro. Satoshi losing his seed phrase, bro.
That what's going to go right now is it's going to be a lot of excitement, but ultimately the ethically sound, technically sound, economically sound future is for people to realize that Bitcoin is this immutable, incorruptible, non-sovereign computer network, and it's going to protect your money, but it's also going to protect your integrity, and people are going to pay money for truth on that network, and that's what's going to finance those miners. And when you look at all those miners running in Texas, you're saying, what are they doing? They're protecting the integrity of Western civilization, they're protecting the integrity of the human race for the next 1,000.
Okay. All right, Jack. Jack dropped some alpha. Let's see what else is on here. What is this? Oh, he's talking about Zen Doge. How many views? How many views does this guy have? This must be. See, the word of Zen is getting out there. There's going to be a lot more people talking about Zen. I've been here since day one. I've been making crypto. I've been making Zen since day one. What's going on? Oh shoot. Okay. Hold on my sound. Okay. This guy has 366,000 followers. Wow. Okay. So with the Vamp X, let's go to CoinMarketCap and dive in deep. When is Zen Doge coming out? I'm not sure. You watch Joe Blau? You be watching Joe? Let's play the music again. Let's see. So this is the Vamp token. It's not ranked. It's ranked higher. Is this ranked higher than Zen? Number 2633? And Zen is number what? Wow. Why is the Vamp token ranked higher? What the fuck is going on, bro? What is going on? See, this is just showing you that Bitcoin money has flew in here. That Bitcoin money is big, man. In what? a day in less than 24 hours. Basically, the valuation and ranking on CoinMarketCap has exceeded that of Zen in 200-ish days, 200 plus days. That's crazy. Volume 24 million. This is Vamp X. This Vamp X is a BRC20 token. This is you the one who said hey bro, hey yo, BRC20 combo, and then you gonna ask what is Vamp, bro? This is the BRC20 right here that dropped on Sunday. Yep, it's already on there. That's crazy. Who's this guy again? Who's this guy? He's famous, and that's why I'm saying that it's under maintenance. Please try again. We crashed the Uniswap. Wow. Basically, it's Zen on Bitcoin. This is Zen on Bitcoin network. Number one, man. Wow. The promo game. Wow. Hey, and Jack's followers, it was like 415 yesterday. Now it's 422. It was 421 earlier. He's getting like 1,000 followers every 12 hours. He got like 5,000 followers in a day just off of the since Sunday. Like 7,000. Yeah. So let's try to go see what this is all about. Let's go to unisat.io. Let's try to see. I'm not sure about all this shit yet, bro. Open source Chrome extension for Bitcoin ordinals. All right, let's see. Me and Corey reaches ringing the block. Chain making ring like a doorbell. You selling them, hoping it go well. Stick by some known we won't fail. Taking L's. All right. I'll do that later, but we're at least gonna go to the website. I've been chasing the green since knee height. Recent inscriptions. Yeah, this is probably where I'm gonna put. Ooh, should I inscribe Mauricia Hexita on this mug? I'm just so confused. Inscribe. We some artists at war. Yes, Corey and Scroll. We gon' fly around the globe. Staying down 10 toes cause we don't sell, we buy 24 per order. Let's watch we gotta watch numbers because this is how to mint and deploy BRC20 tokens on Bitcoin. Let's watch this real quick. Cause I'm confused. I don't know what's going on over there. We're gonna have to watch some videos, bro. It's real. I'm trying to. Unisat is the website that has the Bitcoin. That's where the BRC20s are. That's where you can buy BRC20s. I just installed the wallet as well. I'm trying to get in on Zen BRC20 Mint. What up, Dr. Vree? What's happening? What up, Web3 Breeze? Yeah, it's a Bitcoin network wallet. Yes, basically, where you can buy BRC20s. You don't see it on CoinGecko? You look up VMPX. Not Vamp, it's VMPX. There you go, right there. VMPX. Woo, my boy Dr. Vree with the 21 Zara. I appreciate the love, my brother. Good morning to you. Have a great day at work, Dr. Vree. Yeah, man. This is crazy. Trading volume. If you provide how do you provide liquidity? I have so many questions. Check out BRC20 balances of the address marketplace. Unisat marketplace experimental test. Access requirements. OG pass 500 confirmations on 20 Unisat points. My condition. Wait for connect. Okay. Let's try to search. Can I search? I'm so confused. Orty? Man. Let's watch this video right here.
Hi, let's talk about NFTs and ordinals. What is an ordinal? Well, an ordinal is like an NFT, but it's on
$30?
Bitcoin.
Wow.
And what's a BRC20 token? Well, it's like an ERC20 token, but it's also on Bitcoin. This is the first time we've been able to have information like this
I like
on
that
the
he
Bitcoin
uses this little
blockchain.
thing.
In order to interact with ordinals and BRC20 tokens, you need a wallet. Right now, the easiest method is the Uniswap Wallet. You can get that on uniswap.io. Similar to MetaMask, once you have the wallet installed and funded with some Bitcoin, make sure you're using a Taproot address, as Taproot is what allows for ordinals and BRC20s. And for security purposes, right-click on the Uniswap wallet and change "This can read" and change site data to on uniswap.io.
Okay.
So now that we have the wallet set up, let's check out
I've been doing that too. That's one thing that I've been doing, guys. You want to make sure that you see how these are like white right here. So you want to make sure to click, and this can read when you click the extension. So I changed a lot of the wallets that I have just sitting. I left my Phantom wallet, but basically this can read site from. It's usually on all sites. For my MetaMask, it says on all sites, but I'm gonna leave that. I'm cool with that. That's really the only one I trust. But like, so this for this one right here, when you click the extension, let me see this one. Yeah. So make sure that you're changing that too, and keeping yourself safe and not letting all of your Chrome extensions read your website. So like for this one, I'm a boom. I can do that. Then this can read on uniset.io. Boom.
We can see all of the listed BRC20 tokens, right? And they're priced in sats or Satoshi.
Wait a minute. Okay, he on the marketplace. Oh, okay. Here it go right here. Okay. We learning. 29 cent. So, and that's what is, are we buying a dip or what? I saw that it went up to $2 or something. Well, like, did it not go up to $2? I'm so confused.
But let's say I want to create my own BRC20 token. How do I do that? Well, I go up to the top where it says inscribe, and here we can actually upload JPEGs, MP3s,
Wow.
etc., text, or we can create a BRC20. All right, so let's inscribe a BRC20 token to the Bitcoin blockchain. So here we have mint and deploy. Choose deploy. And now we need a 4-character ticker symbol. I'm going to use MAJK, magic.
Wow.
And the total supply and the limit per mint. So in this example, I think I will use 8,987 and 89 max per mint. So you can use whatever numbers you want in these fields, but I would recommend thinking about it a little bit first, as the tokenomics does matter.
Okay.
Next, now we come to the gas fee. I always choose the highest option.
Sex token.
That way it gets
69, 69, and 69
it's
mint.
not stuck pending. And that's it. Send and sign the transaction, and now we wait. And there we go. We've successfully inscribed
the clit token.
BRC20 token to the
Clit
Bitcoin
BRC.
blockchain. We haven't minted it yet. We'll do that next.
You hate when
Magic
I
is now
talk
ready to mint,
crazy
so
cyber
we're
real
gonna go
estate.
ahead and mint it directly. As you can see, there are no holders, so we're going to be the first ones to do this. We can mint 89 at a time. If I use this slider here, I can do repeat transactions or repeat mints. That will incur more gas. Make sure your wallet's connected. I'm again choosing the highest gas fee, submitting, and pay. Let's go. All right, and there you have it. Now you know how to deploy a BRC20 on the Bitcoin blockchain and mint a BRC20 on Bitcoin. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And in the meantime, take care of each other and stay cool.
All right, I know what I'm doing now. So, oh man, thank you, man. We finna do a muff token. What is that? A muff token. What would I do? What? All right. Let me create this wallet real quick. Let me take it off the screen. Let me put the music back on. Where'd the music go? Oh, here it go. Let me create it real quick for y'all, and then we gonna do a little exploration. Where it at though? Okay. All right.
Me and Corey just ringing the block. Chain making ring like a doorbell. You selling, I'm hoping it go well. Stick by some known we won't fail. Taking L's if you choose something else.
All right.
You ain't got no rep. Stacking tall, young way but a rim. Whoa.
What is that?
I've been chasing the green since knee height. Rubber band
Okay.
like I'm T.I. No need fiat, not no peon. Telegram.
Let's see.
Check the game up like a doorknob. Watch the price go up like the Lord. I need more.
All right.
Touch the wings up with the 4 dog. Give advice. Yeah, I can just suggest. If you had some more, you'd be better than the rest. We gon' have a match.
I can't see y'all right now, so just give me one sec.
Me and Corey knew the task was.
Excuse me. Sorry. What? Create a new HD wallet. All right. All right, boom. I got my Uniswap wallet now. Yo. All right. Let's give it some Bitcoin. I'm about to load it up. I gotta join in on the fun, man. I can't let you guys have all the fun. Let's see. All right. How much should I send? What should I do? How much Bitcoin I got sent? I'm gonna fund it with like 25. Let's put $25. Or let's see how much I even got. I got 0.02. Is experiencing high transaction volume. Transactions may have higher network fees and take longer. Man, it's still like that. I don't know. Should I? Well, I'm probably not even gonna be able to send it. Let's see. Oh, boom, we send it. Let's send $25. How much is that fee though? What's the fee? Damn, it's $10. God damn. They going crazy. 25. What if I send 50? It's the same amount if whatever I send. I don't know if I want to participate. I should have been sent this. Man, I might as well send a whole. Transfer is relatively fast, but it's $700, my boy. I mean, it's I'll just do 50. But then how much is it for me to go mint it though? Do I even waste my time? I might as well just hold on to my Bitcoin, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I don't even think I'm gonna do it with the fees like that. I don't know. I'm gonna keep it up, but let me just look real quick. Let me see if it's even worth it. Let's look at CoinGecko real quick. This ain't showing the real price though. Let's see if it shows. What do people think this is going to? Hit mint and see. I can't. I don't have no Bitcoin. Oh, okay. I can see what the price is. Buy. Damn. Damn. All right. Let's see. 700. I'm so confused. So 723,200. Bro, I think Vamp X is minted out. You have to buy. Yeah, I think so, because that's why it only has the buy option. How much is it? It is. It is installed, little bro. Come on. Hold on. Let me connect it. Oh, here we go. Okay, this is where I connected. Boom. Okay. Boom. 20 Unisat points. Please note that for each use of Unisat inscribed to create an inscription, including transfer, minting, and Uniswap, or Unisat wallet, the Unisat points of your connected address will be incremented by 1. What does that mean? What? Oh, here we go. Bruh, ain't no way, boy. 20 transactions. It's $20. So that means I gotta spend 400 in transactions. So I can't even buy this even if I wanted to. Is that what that's saying? I'm so confused. I'm about to just make my own, bro. Interesting. Okay. I'm gonna make QR codes with the links to to every song once it's all the way out. Bro, check out Zen. That's what everyone mentioned now. Yeah. I mean, I think it's reached the bottom. It's not looking too good. It might keep going down. But let's look at all the chains. Okay. On Unisats, you need 20 transaction points before you can trade. Wow. Bro, I don't know about that. I don't have enough dry powder. This is all I got, bro. So they trying to take half of my shit in fees just so I can trade on the marketplace. My money too funny for that. Not even gonna lie to you. I'm gonna hold on to my little bag. Zen Plus is that new Zen? Yeah. Let's see. Zen, it's up 5%. Actually, this is good. Zen Plus is a BRC20. What is that? Zen Plus. What you mean? Boy, don't be sending me no Fugazi. Zen Plus. Oh, what's this? Boy. Vamp X is the official one. I wouldn't trust that Zen Plus. It ain't enough people in that. Vamp X is the official one, sir. That Jack. You see this? Don't trust it unless, bro, you need to go follow this man. Don't worry about Zen Plus. I wouldn't worry about that. It ain't nothing going on over there. That's cool though. Web Breeze. Joseph. Oh, okay. All right. Ain't nobody messing with Joseph, obviously. How the hell you spell his name? Oh, that's a weird name. That's a weird way to say Joseph. Damn. I'm sleeping. All Zen Pub BRC20 tokens have a dedicated page now. Wow. Let me give you my credit card info. You funny as hell. Oh, so it's on the Zen Pub? Okay. Little alpha. I see you. Hold on. You done found something. Let's go to Zen.pub. Little breezy. Okay. New web page. Here you go, right here. Zen Team BRC20 tokens. I wonder if I can get some music on here. Are these Zen Team BRC20 tokens? Xen.pub BRC20 tokens. So you can still mint Zen Plus? I'm confused. How do I mint it? So I won't be able to mint until I got 20. Can you do a video on it when you're a whiz? A video on what? Yeah, I'm gonna figure it out, but I don't know if I'm gonna ever be able to get to that point, bro. Because I gotta wait until the transaction fees go down. I can mint, but where? I'm so lost. I just can't trade. So what does that mean? Does that mean I can buy? Okay. How do I go mint? Okay. Oh, right here. The link is in his Twitter post, the same one I sent. I didn't see your link. Oh, okay. My bad. I gotta put on my moderation. I gotta see. Hold on. It won't let me see links in my chat. Send it again. Is this it? Hey, get them likes up. Y'all heard what he said. We need 12 on 12. I need them. Give me that. Go ahead and abuse that like button for me. How do I mint though? Oh, mint directly? Repeat mint. Okay. That's not bad. $7. I'm gonna go. You feel me? I might be able to do something with that. Let's just see. Where my Exodus go? I'm totally going all the way off track from what this video was supposed to be about. Oh shit, I wasn't supposed to do that in front of y'all. Alright. Coin invest again. Linking up with Sprove. What it do? Let's talk about more, man. I'm saying 75. If we got Vamp X, why are we messing with Zen Plus? You know, because the reason why I would is because Xen.pub is a heavily trafficked analytics X uni. These are all done. I don't know, bro. The only reason why is because these are already done for, completed. But these still allow you to mint them. So it's heavy traffic on Zen.pub for analytics of Zen. You go there, people go there every day. I do at least. So I would say that it's a good look. That's in 75 since the thing is $10. Damn, did y'all hear that? Let's see. Damn. That was fast. That was fast as hell. I'm not gonna lie. Oh wow, they got it right on the wallet where you can mint straight from the wallet. Let's get some I don't know, bro. I'm not gonna make a hasty decision, but I'm gonna look at these and see what they all about. Let's see what Joseph said on the what's the name? Wow, I took a short break to work on ZenPub main page design, and when I came back, over 11.5 billion Zen Plus tokens were minted out of the total supply of 1 trillion. 37 new holders, 400 transactions. Wow. 3 hours. He took a 3-hour break, and I'm just confused. Let me just see what this is about. Sats and inscription, network fee.
What it do? Let's talk about more, man. So we here to how do more, yeah, we hard to the core.
I want to make sure it's worth it. Is it gonna be the same? Okay, that's only $1 worth. Network fee $66. Oh, the network fee is right there. I'm thinking this is the network fee. They tripping. No, it wasn't. It was too expensive. It got up to like $30, I think. The network fee is astronomical compared to the amount of sats that you get. So actually, the value comes from also. I'm gonna have to wait, bro. I'm gonna really have to wait on this to see if gas goes down. On it's crazy to say, but I'm gonna have to wait to see what gas goes down. When gas goes down on Bitcoin, to be honest. But let's get back to Zen. Oh yeah, VVZen is up. I got some VVZen coming out soon. Let's see if this reached the bottom. Yep. I think Zen is bottoming on everything, bro. That's a nice little start for the day. On a green. You might want to go buy some VVZen. Liquidity is low, so you ain't gonna be able to do much with it when it goes up. We already looked at Zen. Well, let's look at MZen. I don't know if MZen is bottoming. Nah, this got a ways to go, my bro. A ways to go. MZen can keep going down. It can go all the way down to right here, even lower. I don't think it's gonna go no lower than these two lines right here. If it does go, it's not gonna go lower than this line. It's just gonna follow this line on up. So let's see. It can keep going, and then price appreciation, then go crazy from there. But so soon, I think Zen is bottoming on everything for the most part. I think that we may, be finding where we're going in the Zen. I think we're headed into the next run up for every chain. So as we know that Zen on Ethereum kind of gauges us where we're going. I think Zen on Ethereum gauges us where we're going. So if it's looking like it's going down again. Ooh, that's not looking good. There's no support below that. There's not a lot of support below that. Let's find it. It's looking icy. If it goes below this, everybody who just minted may not be in profit. That's what's so crazy. If you minted during all of this meme coin shit, bro, you may not be in profit by the time it's time to claim your mints, which is bullish. But for those newcomers that are coming in that did max mints, and you might be, but for those newcomers, or it'll just be less profitable. I believe it's still gonna be profitable. It'll just be less profitable. But yeah, man, it's so many different variables that you really can't even like determine long term right now. Man, all right. Ain't nothing much that I can really say. 10:50 a.m., 9:50 p.m. I got some Polygon and AVAX coming out. Oh, I got an ETH one coming out. In a couple on Friday. This month, let me make sure I'm okay. I'm heavily active. It just got 10x. What just got 10x? Vamp X? Let me just take a quick look at my 51. We still at a good look. Let's take a look at DBZen. We're on Binance. Yeah, it did. It got more than a 10x. It was like a 30x. Yeah, it needed this. This is we're in a healthy downtrend, but I think it's over with. So I claimed my Zen. I claimed my Matic yesterday on DBZen. Let's see what it's looking like. So I got what I think it said 2.9 or something when I looked earlier. So yeah, I got 2.911 Matic. I staked some more. I don't know. Oh, yep, there it goes. I bought some more, staked some more. I'm just for now. I'm not putting any more dry powder into this right now. But I'm letting it just build up. Then I just go buy it off the market. I'm not attempting to keep up with the inflation. I mean, with the mint anymore. I'm sorry, not the mint, but the keep up with the dilution. I'm not attempting to do that no more. I'm just doing as I can what I got already in there. I put in what I put in, and I'm just letting it coast from there. I think I put in roughly around $300 to $300 into DBZen initially, of which the amount that I got in it now versus and what I'm getting in fees is nothing. I mean, is crazy compared to what I put into it initially. So I'm happy with that. I'm still building my y'all. As y'all know, I do have my ladder every other day of on Polygon coming out. So yeah, this will be a Zen NFT. Yep, this is a Zen NFT coming out 128 VMUs. Burning it for Phoenix. I might burn some for I might actually burn some for DBZen also. Might split it in half, but I'm building my my staking ladder going out 5 years. So I started at about going out from 5 years or from 3.5 years to about 5 years. And that'll be basically, and I'm treating it like it's 10,000x. Did they fix it? Nope. But right now, how much to recoup M's on MZN burn? How much time? Bro, I don't know now. I mean, I recouped. I recouped. So I'm not keeping up with it. I haven't really been tracking it like that, tracking my earnings and stuff like that. But I know I'm in profit. I know my initial investment was 300, and now I'm just using what I'm earning from the protocol fees. I haven't put no new money in since the beginning. So what I've burned is worth 992. What I've burned is worth 992. And if we go on I think we can actually go on the leaderboards. I think I'm actually on the leaderboard. Um, and you can see how much I spent burning or how much the Zen was worth that I burned. If I'm still in the top 100. Who is that? Let's see. I'm about to get out of here soon, y'all. I got things to do. You hear me? Yeah. Ooh, I'm going down. So 969 in burns. And the current amount that I have in value is 992. So that's cool. That's a little bit more. And then from what I've bought off the market, and I started buying it about 15 cents, and I've been buying it whenever, but buying it strictly from my rewards. So it's just money that I'm getting for free, pretty much. And that amount is here, the 28, this right here, 2873. Basically recycling. So 992 plus 846. And I think I've taken like $250 in profit. So I got roughly about $1,838 worth of DXN, earning about 3 Matic a day. Boom. Good luck, Alpha. So make sure that I would say start DCAing maybe. If you're a newcomer into Zen, maybe start dollar cost averaging, buying a little bit at a time, watching the chart every now and again. Don't just sit here and stare at the chart. Watch the chart every now and again. Get you a little bit. I'm about to start getting into this. I wish I would have got into it Sunday, but I'm about to dive into this Uniswap stuff. Now that I put some money on here, I'm gonna have to do something with it. I'm not just gonna let that 75 just sit there. Yes, it's gonna be a real. It's something new, man. I want to get into something new. I'm losing content. I'm losing ideas for content. So make sure that you hop in the link in description, the Big Business Telegram, and if you have some ideas, please put them in there so I can make more. Keep making content like this. I appreciate y'all. Y'all always come up with something. I really didn't even talk about what I talked about. We really talked about BRC20s on here today, but whatever. I appreciate y'all. Love y'all, man. I don't have nothing else to talk about. Yep. Make sure that you go in the link in the description to join me with on Drip Network. That is where I'll be doing giveaways once this reaches 1,000 in deposits, 1,000 drip in deposits. That's when I'm about to start doing giveaways. Shout out to the 5 people that hopped in. All you got to do is go in the link in the description. So boom, go in the link in the description right here. Join Drip. You click this link, and if it doesn't have the buddy address, you'll scroll down to here. If my buddy address is not there, you'll have to come back to the link in the description, and you'll have to copy and paste this right here. But yeah, man, that's all I got for you. See you tomorrow. Love and peace in the Middle East. But you know I'm from the West, mother sucker. Y'all have a good night. See y'all tomorrow, 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Same place, same time.